Ah, way to go. Magic Key from the outside, Mike's dancer, Tiger Ruffy. Down on the inside, moving up Matter of Honor. Rushing up is Speedy Kim alongside pound for pound super elegant shades of red bloodline. Is the early trailer, Magic Key by Sam Forlings, followed by Mike's dancer. Tiger Ruffy running in between runners, Matter of Honor, and Speedy Kim racing in fifth by Sam Tuleng, Shades of Red, and rounding the far turn, Magic Key by Sam Seven Lengths. Mike's dancer in second, Matter of Honor, Tiger Ruffy, Speedy Kim, super elegant bloodline, Shades of Red, pound for pound. Racing towards the last 400 and going to the long Santana stretch run. Magic Key by some three legs. Mike's dancer down on the inside and on the outside Spirit Kim. Nearing the last 200 meters more to run. Magic Key and Mike's dancer down on the inside. Tiger Ruffy Spirit Kim and nearing the finish line. Magic Key and on the outside Tiger Ruffy Spirit Kim pound for pound. And finally, Magic Key second. Tiger Ruffy close for third, pound for pound, Spirit King. Shades of Red, Mike's dancer, super elegant bloodline. And Matter of Honor comes last.